Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. Today I am going to discuss about algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which consists of variables and constant along with algebraic operations like plus, minus, division and multiplication. So algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression of which is consist of variables. So what is called variables? Before that, let us see what are literals. In algebraic expression there are also two terms, literals and numerals. So, literals are all English alphabet letters A, B, C, D up to X, Y, Z. So, these are known as literals. And what are numerals? All the numbers. It may be integer or whole numbers like 1, 2, 10, -7, -8, etc. Okay, so again come to variables. So what are variables? So variables are, you can say A, B, C or X, Y, Z. So these literals are denotes as variables. Okay. So A, B, C, D or we can write X, Y, Z as variables and their values are not fixed values. Their values are not fixed values. Okay. Now come to the second point, constant. Come to the second point, constant. So constant are constant having fixed values. So example of constant are, suppose these numerals, you can say these numerals are also known as constant. Suppose 2, 7, -3, -10, all these are known as constant. So how we will write a algebraic expression? We can write an algebraic expression as, suppose 4x plus 5, or we can write 10y minus 3. So these are known as algebraic expression. Let us see the factors. So first factor equal to, it is 2. The term 2x square, the factors are 2x, x. So how does it form? 2 into x into x. Similarly, 3xy, the factors are, there are also 3 factors, 3, then yx and y. So how does it form? 3 into x into y. Similarly, I am putting here a arrow. Okay, and this 5 minus 5 is known as constant, only number. If it representing only numeral, then it is known as constant. Okay. Now always remember, so in this algebraic expression, then find out who are the variables. So variables are, you write down the heading, variables. Variables are 2x square and 3xy. Where constant? Now you have to write the constant. So constant equal to -5. This one is the constant. 2x square and 3xy is called variables, and minus 5 is called constant. So in algebraic expression, the values of variable are not fixed. The values are not fixed values. Not fixed values. Okay. But constant having fixed values. Fixed values. So from this we conclude that variables having no fixed values, but constant is having always a fixed value. So an algebraic expression, suppose I have written that time 2x square plus 3xy minus 5. So this is known as here 2x square y. The algebraic expression is 2x square plus 3xy minus 5. Here 2x square is variable and 3xy is also called variable, but minus 5 it is known as constant. So variable have no fixed value, you have to calculate their values, but the constant having always a fixed value. Clear? Let us see another example. Suppose minus 4ab square c plus 2ab square minus 5abc plus 16. So now you can easily tell the answer. What are the terms here? So this is an expression and you have to find out the terms. So how many terms are there? Yes, there are 4 terms. This is minus 4ab square c. This is 2ab square minus 5abc, and last one is constant. So these are called the variables. These are called the variables. Okay, I am writing this with red pen. This is variable, 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 and this is constant. Now you can easily say the factors. So there are 4 factors: minus 4, a, b, another b, and c. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors. Okay, in this expression, in this term, the factors are 2, a, b, another b is there. B square means another b is there. And in this term, the factors are minus 5, a, b, c. And this is the constant. Okay, this 16 is called the constant. So this is the algebraic expression. You can say this is the expression. Okay, and these are called as terms, and these are known as the factors of the terms. Again I am going to repeat that an algebraic expression consists of variables and constant with arithmetic operations like plus or minus. So minus 4x square plus 2xy minus 6y square plus 5 is an algebraic expression. Now there is a new term, it is known as numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. So what is numerical coefficient? The number, you can see this is a number minus 4x. So in this term minus 4 is the numerical coefficient. In the second term, the numerical coefficient equal to plus 2, the number, you have to tell the number, plus 2. Similarly, in the third term, you can say that it is minus 6. The numerical constant is minus 6, and this is the constant only. You can say this also a constant. Okay, so So I am writing some example. Minus 2xyz plus 4ab square. Another example, minus 3 by 4 ABC. So you have to find here what are the numerical constant. You have to find out what are the numerical constant. So in this question, first question, minus 2xyz. So who is the number here? You have to find the number. So you can tell minus 2. Minus 2 is the numerical coefficient. Similarly, in the second question, what is the numerical coefficient? It is plus 4. And in the third question, what is the numerical coefficient? It is minus 3 by 4. These are known as numerical coefficient. Now, if I ask, suppose in the first question, if I ask what is the coefficient, only coefficient, if I am asking only coefficient, what is the coefficient of y? So, what are the coefficient of y? Means who are with y? So, your answer should be minus 2x and z. 2x, z. So, I am again explaining how it is formed. This term, how this term formed? Minus 2 into x into y into z. Now, I am asking for only y. So, who are the coefficient of y? Means who are with y? So, you can say, same question I am showing. So, minus 2x and z. These are called as coefficient of y. Similarly, another question, if I ask here, I am writing here, suppose 4a square bc. Now, what is the coefficient of a? If my question is what is the coefficient of a? Only a, not I am not asking about a square, only a. So, here your answer should be 4abc. Now, let's see how it is 4abc. So, first you have to write how this term formed. This term is formed by 4 into a into b into c. So, I am asking only one a. I am asking about only one a. So, suppose I am asking about this a. So, who are the coefficient? Rest of the members you have to tell. So, 4a, b, c. This is the answer. Understood? If I ask here, what is the coefficient of b? What is the coefficient of b? So, your answer should be the coefficient of b equal to 4a square c. If I ask here, what is the coefficient of c? What is the coefficient of c? So, you will tell the coefficient of c is 4a square b. Okay? Now, the types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. So, monomial. Monomial consists of only one term. Example, suppose 2x square or 5y or minus 3. All these are consist of only single term, one term. So, they are known as monomial. Mono means one. Always remember, mono means one. So, one and mial means term. So, one term. Okay. Now, next is binomial. So, what is binomial? Binomial. The spelling is binomial. Binomials. So, binomials means, bi means, always remember, bi means two. Bi means two. So, two. Nomials. Binomials means bino. Bino means two and mials means terms. So, there are two terms. Okay. I am writing here how many terms? 2 terms. Okay. So example of binomial equal to, you can write as 4a plus 3b. So 1 term, 2 term, or you can write 5x square minus 7y square. Okay. So this is known as binomials. Similarly, next is trinomial. So what is trinomial? Tri means 3. Trinomial means 3 terms. It is consist of 3 terms. 3 terms. Okay. It is consist of 3 terms. So example of trinomials are, so it consists of 3 terms and the terms are a plus b plus c. There are 3 terms and 2 algebraic signs, operation symbol are there, plus or minus. Similarly, 5a square minus b plus 3. So this is known as trinomial. Understood? Now last thing is polynomial. Polynomial means the expression polynomials. So the polynomial means the expression which contain more than 2 or more than 2 terms. So the expression contain 2 or more than 2 terms. More than 2 terms are known as polynomials. So example of polynomial, you can write, you can tell this is also polynomial, you can tell this is also polynomial, or you can write as suppose minus 5a square b plus 6 abc plus, or you can write here a minus 7ab minus 6. So this is known as polynomial. Okay, so polynomial is, binomial is also polynomial, trinomial is also polynomial, and similarly tetranomial is another term which is consist of 4 terms. Okay, it is another expression, it is consist of 4 terms. Clear? Now like terms and unlike terms. So you have to find out the like terms and unlike terms from these expressions. It is not given in expression, it is given in terms, as there are no algebraic operations like plus or minus, only the commas are there. Okay, here you have to find out which are the like terms. So like terms are, I can say 4xy square. So the like terms are 4x square y. You have to find another 4x square y is present here or not. Yes, I can see here another one, minus 5 by 3 y x square. They are like terms. Now let us see how they are like terms. Now you have to factorize this. Just factorize this and find out they are like terms or not. Here it is 4 into x into x into y. And here it is minus 5 by 3 into y into x into x. Can I write it according to the literals? They are coming, x is coming before y. So if I write it like this, minus 5 by 3 x into y. Now you can find that, you can see here there is 2x, there is also 2x, there is 1y, there is also 1y. That means these two are the like terms. Okay. Now let us find out the second one, 5xyz. 5xyz, another xyz is there or not? So I can see another xyz is also there. Here it is, the factors are 5 into x into y into z. Similarly here in this number, in this term you can see 2 by 5 y into x into z. Now I am going to arrange this. 2 by 5 into x into y into z. According to alphabet, I am arranging this x, y, z. So, I hope you understood the chapter algebraic expression. In the next video, I will solve some addition, subtraction of algebraic expression. Thank you.